Alright, today's video is going to be quick, and it's going to be about how to switch a mixed number to an improper fraction, okay? On the far right, you can see that I went ahead and just, as a reminder, put that the top number is the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a recap of what a proper fraction is. A proper fraction, which is the basic fraction, okay, that's kind of what we're used to, is when the numerator is less than the denominator. Some examples will be 3 over 4, the 3 is smaller than the 4, 5 over 7, or 5/7 is the 5 smaller than the 7, and 3/8, the 3 smaller than the 8. An improper fraction, on the other hand, is telling us with this prefix right here that it's probably going to be the opposite of what a proper fraction is. And the way it switches, when it's an improper fraction, we're going to go ahead and label it in red. When it's an improper fraction, what we're saying is that the numerator is going to be bigger than the denominator. For example, 8/3, 10/7, and 15/8. Okay? As you can see on this one, on the improper fraction side of the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay? Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to start with a mixed number. A mixed number that we're going to use right here is going to be all with a fraction. Okay, so we're going to have a number and we're going to have a fraction. We're going to go ahead and start with 5 3/4. Alright. Now, the trick that I'm going to show you today is called a Texas. Okay, Texas, and I just call it Texas because it might help you remember. The abbreviation for the state of Texas is TX. So we're using the addition sign as a T and the multiplication sign as the X. Okay. Now, on this case, we're going to do the 4 times 5, which is going to give us 20. So we're going to do, remember our PEMDAS, we're going to do the multiplication first. 4 times 5 is 20, so the 3 is going to give us 23 over 4. That'll be our first example. The next example, just so we can get better practice at it, is going to be 3 7/8. Alright, we're going to do 8 times 3. Again, we're going to set up the Texas. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 7 is going to be 31/8. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. The Texas is just another way to help you remember, especially if you're from the state of Texas, which I am. So hopefully it helps you even more. Okay, so we got now 2 and 9 12s, and we'll make this our last example since this is a pretty basic concept. So we're going to do again the Texas. T X. 12 times 2 is 24, plus 9 is 33. 33 over 12. Again, this number just transfers over because we're dealing with the same denominator, and you're using the denominator to switch it to the improper fraction. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any suggestions of or any concepts that you need help with, go ahead and shoot me an email or shoot me a comment, and I'll try to check it, and I'll try to post. Like I said, I was going to try and post 3 to 4 videos a week. I'll post as many as I can, or whenever people reply back. Go ahead and subscribe if you like the videos. Thank you for your time.